Do you know what is the most interesting topic that people are looking into now? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button now. I cannot believe that the following events could be something that people want to know every day. People search and learn about these events every day, per our research. Not to waste our time, let's jump into the first topic that most people found it interesting. First, tech innovations. For example, smart rings. Like the Samsung Galaxy Ring and Amazfit Helio Ring, are poised to replace smartwatches as health trackers. These devices are gaining popularity for their compact design and advanced monitoring features such as sleep and fitness tracking. Neural headphones. Cutting-edge neural headphones, like Naqi Neural Earbuds, can interpret brain signals, allowing users to control devices using thoughts. This marks a shift from audio-focused functionality to brain interface technology. AI devices. Tools like ChatGPT are being embedded into everyday tech. For instance, Volkswagen now integrates ChatGPT in vehicles for real-time conversational assistance, sparking debates about AI's safety and utility. Second, artificial intelligence expansion. ChatGPT and similar AI technologies are reshaping industries. Their integration spans fields such as healthcare, automotive, and education, enabling unprecedented capabilities like advanced diagnostics and interactive learning environments. However, concerns about accuracy and overdependence persist. Third, entertainment and sports. Movies and gaming. Anticipation Shuren the Minecraft movie and the live-action adaptation of How to Train Your Dragon. These projects appeal to fans of popular franchises and are among the most searched topics globally. Sports events. International matches like Mexico vs. Honduras and Argentina vs. Peru dominate interest in sports. These games have heightened stakes, making them major draws for football enthusiasts. Fourth, climate and environment. Extreme weather events like the bomb cyclone are trending as they affect millions, raising concerns about climate change's tangible effects. Discussions often revolve around preparedness and long-term environmental policy. Last, geopolitical issues. Russia-Ukraine conflict. The ongoing war continues to dominate global discourse. Developments like diplomatic efforts, economic sanctions, and battlefield updates are frequently searched. Topics: global diplomacy. Broader political tensions, such as relations between China, the U.S., and their allies, are shaping public and political conversations. These topics resonate globally, showcasing humanity's interest in technology, entertainment, survival, and global dynamics. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for your support.